In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the skin tone of your Bitmoji or color on Snapchat. If you need to change the skin tone of your Bitmoji on Snapchat, follow these steps. Begin by opening the Snapchat on your device. Tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the camera screen. Scroll down and tap on Edit My Bitmoji. You will be taken to a page where you can customize your Bitmoji. Tap on the far left icon, which represents the skin tone, to change your Bitmoji's color. Select the desired skin tone from the available options. And when you're finished choosing a skin tone, tap Save on the top right corner. By following these steps, you can easily change the skin tone of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Enjoy personalizing your Bitmoji to better represent yourself. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.